Greetings, vibe coders. I'm David Gerard and this is Pivot to AI. Today, we're coding with vibes. Yet again. Cursor is a magical code development app with AI support. You click and it auto-completes your code for you using an LLM. Cursor is the platform of choice for vibe coding, where you just tell the AI what you want and it writes your app for you. Now, you might think that's obviously just mind-bogglingly stupid, and getting the AI to literally do it all has obvious and hilarious failure modes, as we've seen previously. But it has a dedicated audience of incompetence, and Cursor outdid itself on Tuesday when it started forcibly logging out users if they were logged in from multiple machines. Now, it's a perfectly normal thing for devs to do, say, log into something at their desktop and their laptop. And with Cursor, you're paying for each use anyway. So users contacted Cursor support about this behavior, and support told them this was expected behavior under a new login policy. Cursor is designed to work with one device per subscription as a core security feature. To use Cursor on both your work and home machines, you'll need a separate subscription for each device. This answer spread like wildfire through the forums and socials, and the Cursor user community was outraged at being sandbagged by such an obnoxious policy. Users publicly cancelled their Cursor subscriptions. A huge Reddit thread started about the policy change, though the thread was quickly removed by the moderators, who are employees of Cursor. Cursor co-founder Michael Truell did show up in the Reddit thread and explained that this was all a mistake, and Cursor had no such policy. Unfortunately, this is an incorrect response from a frontline AI support bot. We did roll out a change to improve the security of sessions, and we're investigating to see if it caused any problems with session invalidation. Apologies about the confusion here. Cursor support was literally just an LLM. The support LLM just answered with something that was shaped a bit like a support response. It hallucinated a policy that didn't exist. And it didn't even say it was a bot. Customer support is terrible? You must be prompting it wrong. Cursor started back in 2022 as a Chrome extension for drafting emails with an LLM, so it's getting back to its roots. The LLM support bot emails are now marked as AI generated, as is legally required in the EU, so that's nice. Cursor's outraged customers will forget about this by next week. It's an app for people who somehow got a dev job, but they deeply and fundamentally have no idea what they're doing. So they're paying a total of over $8 million each month to get a gibberish bot to do it for them anyway. The company doesn't know what it's doing either, and that doesn't matter, because Cursor exists so they can bag venture funding while the bagging is good. It scored $175 million of magic money so far, and there's another funding round on the way. None of this ever had to work more than well enough to grab idiot cash in a bubble, making hot air while the bubble blows. Thanks for tuning in to Pivot to AI. Please do hit like and subscribe, and tell everyone you know about this video. Pivot is inexplicably unable to score $10 million from A16Z, but I do have the Patreon in the show notes, in the spirit of a donation. We also have the t-shirt store up on Redbubble, so thank you all, and bye for now.